Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Number 1.
Corsair iCUE 5000X. Because the world of the best gaming PCs would be nothing if it weren't for decadent PC cases, Corsair has followed up its excellent iCUE 4000X from late 2020 with the amazing iCUE 5000X. Just like its predecessor, the Corsair iCUE 5000X is filled to the nines with RGB lighting and tempered glass. It's got 4 tempered glass panels, so you can show off your PC build in all its glory, and it's one of the most modular cases we've seen from a mainstream manufacturer, so it's incredibly easy to build in.
Number 2.
Fractal Design Meshify C. It is extremely rare to see any PC case that even vaguely resembles the Fractal Design Meshify C, given that the front of the case is entirely made of a mesh material sectioned off into an array of polygonal shapes. The Meshify C has a unique style without compromising on function. With 2 fans pre-installed, cooling is, forgive us, a breeze, even if the Meshify C is held back by a number of obstacles.
Number 3.
NZXT H210i. Every single day Mini ITX gets more popular and closer to toppling Micro ATX. And it makes sense, why not spring for a small computer that can get just as much work done as a full tower? NZXT's new H-series case line manages to integrate a ton of the same features as its Micro ATX and mid-tower equivalents, with mesmerizing, built-in and smart device-controlled RGB lighting and an adaptive noise sensor that sees improvement only by way of the Grid Plus V3 fan controller.
Number 4.
Phanteks Evolve Shift X. When you first look at the Phanteks Evolve Shift X, it looks more like a soundbar than one of the best PC cases, but this helps it vanish into any living area or studio setup. It's flexible to the point that it looks natural placed under a TV as it does on a desk, next to one of the best gaming monitors. It may only be compatible with a Mini ITX motherboard, but the Phanteks Evolve Shift X offers tons of space for components and liquid cooling loops. If this case is a little large for your preference, you can get the smaller Phanteks Evolve Shift for easier management.
Number 5.
Cooler Master H500p Mesh. Cooler Master is kind of known for, well, cooling things, and the Cooler Master H500p Mesh is evidence of how it got there. This beautiful RGB packed case has plenty of room for airflow, even accommodating up to 360mm radiators on the top and front for when you really want to take your cooling to the next level. Add on top of that the RGB lighting and tempered glass side panel, and you have the potential to build something beautiful with this case. Go for it.